our COO, Ma'am Chacha Huinio.
Thank you, Raymond. Hi, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the launch of our newest and latest product innovation, Cheesy 8. This actually started, we did this last year, it was Cheesy 7. And our director and our food stylist knows that. Nagsimula kami 7 lang. And then we said, we wanted to relaunch it, change it a little bit. How do you improve it? Or make it Cheesy 8. And then because it's Christmas, lagyan natin na queso de bola. Diba? And which is something that's very close to the hearts of every Filipino. And when we were talking about this, how do we launch it to our friends from media, friends from our vlogger friends, and also friends, our partner friends? How do we launch this? How do we make this just a simple event to welcome you all and to show you what the product is all about? Sabi namin, let's have a premiere of ano ba uso ngayon na movie? Eh di Wicked, diba? Saka light, fun, and I hope you all saw Wicked 1. Kasi hindi namin kaya explain kung ano nangyari sa Wicked 1 kung hindi nyo napanood. I hope you had a chance to watch it kasi nasa, I think it's in Disney or Hulu.
Yes, Disney.
So, we are, as Raymond was saying, welcome to Wolfgang Premier Lounge. And I hope you enjoy the Lazy Boy. Please do not sleep. Well, you can. Just make sure no one hears you. You know what I'm saying. But there's also going to be more snacks served later on. You can order wine, but it's probably going to put you to sleep even more. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who came. I said this is not going to be long. Just want to say thank you for allowing us to present to you our product and coming all the way to Araneta City to watch this movie and partake of our Cheesy 8 pizza. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And please tell all your friends and family the Cheesy 8 is a fantastic pizza. Thank you!